a decade boo. Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I'ma make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Hey Booz, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know it's a girl that keep warm. And today I'm going to be installing a wig. Yes, basically I'm gonna tint the wig first, install it, and then y'all will see the finished look. But I'm really excited to shoot this video today because this will be the first video, if not the first video, maybe the second video I'm posting on my channel this new year. I am so happy that we've made it through another year, though complications came and so forth. Guys, I'm not really feeling well in myself. It's not sickness or anything, but it's more of a mental problem. But I promise to be transparent with you guys throughout this new year, and I just want y'all to journey with me until, you know, when I reach there. But I'm just saying, like, guys, right now I'm not feeling well, but you know, doing things for myself, like fixing up myself or buying myself stuffs and so forth, that kind of ease my mind from what I normally go through or whatever. But right now I am combing out my hair. I don't really like how my hair is growing back, but just so that's how life is. This is what I chose to ball it off because it, you know, pick out, but it taking so long and it made me feel so sad. That's one of the reasons why I'm sad, but yeah, not the main reason. So just stay tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell and tell a friend to come over the Booz channel. I'm gonna wash my hair before I put on the wig. I washed my hair yesterday, however I got some white scalp and so forth, so I have to wash my hair frequent and oily frequent. I'm using shea butter in my hair, guys. Yeah, natural shea butter. I'm installing the wig later though. Tough. Dad just bought the dye for me. I'm going to tint the wig. This wig what I have, it is 6,500. I got it on sale. It was an wholesale thing, so 3 for 6,500 from France Fit. And I almost didn't get it because I 2 them have, but literally I really wanted 2, not 3. So I end up getting it from the same sale. So see it here. So I'm going to tint this lace by myself. Wish me luck, guys. Now the ear one look fixing up. What is this? The ear one look curls. So this is the before. I hate when the earline is right at the lace. I hate it, you see, guys. I don't know if I'm alone hate it. I like when I have a whole heap of lace. You know, the full lace at the front. Yeah. Guys, this isn't part of the video because I paused to make some coffee. But you can know say things up on my mind because literally, look, I make coffee in this cup, you know. See this cup now with some Pepsi, and your girl throw the coffee in this. Something is wrong. Pray for me while I pray for you in Jesus' name, because that's crazy. The dye I'll be using is Clairol Professional Beauty Collection Rich Dark Brown, and it says on the bottle for professional use only, so don't be like me and do it without being a professional. Yes, I'm just throwing it out in my applicator jar, then I'm gonna mix it out. And now it's time to apply it, so I'm gonna put on gloves because I don't want to mess up my hands or my nails. I don't have an applicator brush, so I'm using a brush from my makeup kit. The dye didn't really come with any instructions, so I'm just gonna let this stay on it for about 15 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it out. To wash out all the dye, I'm using my normalizing shampoo and my normalizing rings by Zimmy. I am so in love with this hair. It is really soft and easy to rinse. I can comb out this ear and it just feels so smooth, so curly. Look at those curls bouncing. This you call niceness. Due to the construction in my house, I'm unable to hang it up on a line, so I saw a piece of wire and that's what I'm gonna use as my line. So it's getting late, as y'all can see, and here, over there, I don't feel like putting it on today. So tomorrow I'm gonna do it in the same video, so stay tuned. Gonna wash my hair now. Let me show y'all what I got. Alright, so these are Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner. This one is Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo and Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Conditioner. They have honey, coconut oil and shea butter. Now the ear mask has the same ingredients. Yeah, basically I'm gonna just shampoo and condition my hair. For this wash, I start by rinsing out all the excess oils, then use my shampoo, that's the Cream of Nature honey shampoo, and comb out my hair because you know it dry.
You feel better now when you come to though?
Yeah.
Just don't the scalp feel that's how you have to do when you wash it, scrub it with the comb because it get agitate the scalp, so it bring new growth.
Usually I'll shampoo my hair 3 times, but because I'm actually bald, I don't really have much hair, I'm only doing it twice. The next step is to use my hair mask here, and this is gonna stay in my hair for 5 to 10 minutes. When it's all dried up, I will use my conditioner. Okay, so I need to go and take a shower. I'm gonna put it in my hair, and while I'm bathing I'll rinse this out, so make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'm not done yet. Happy New Year to my booze. Happy New Year's to my booze. Happy New Year's to my booze. Happy New Year's to you all. I wish you all the best, and I'm just happy that God has given us the chance to live one more year. Bless up. I wish for you all prosperity, strength, health, love, everything that is good in this year. Go for what you want and believe in yourself, and we shall overcome all obstacles that we might face, because life not easy at all. Whether you're rich, whether you're poor, whether you're black, white, or anything, life is not easy. But we know so we ever face all of them challenges, but we are going to overcome everything. So it's the next day. As you can see me in a different clothes. I am going to start my hair right now. I feel you see, because I'm gonna install the wig on my forehead. I feel like I'm gonna wash my face. Yeah, my hair wash from yesterday, as y'all can see. I'm kind of digging the natural look, but girl, I gotta fix up. And this time when I do the hair, I really want it to stay. What I mean is I really want it to glue down. So we're gonna use the spray and we're gonna use the glue that I used the last time because it's bad. I feel like I didn't get the results I wanted when I dyed the hair with the hair glue. Maybe I should have used clothing dye, I guess. So I'm using concealer to just blend it out, let it look like my skin. That's my shade. Yeah. And I'm just messing around. The day has finished and my hair is still cool. Guys, I was filming a video. The audio for this part of the video went very low, so I'm voice overing. Basically, I was just saying to go over my aunt's channel and subscribe. She cooks on her channel, she does farming and all those natural stuff, so make sure you go over there. I was filming her video earlier, that's why it took so long to do my hair. Make sure you go over there. It's a nice video and you're gonna have a look and laugh and everything. So go over there, sit here on the screen. Before I start my hair, I'm gonna show y'all my dinner, and y'all gonna see how it's prepared. Actually, light channel. I have shrimp. I have pasta. Jerky. Mashed potato. And another potato. You know, oil mash. Yeah. And vegetable. Everything nice. Everything nice. Julian also needs strong back. And you know when a girl drink that, before back I was strong. But for me, 2023, I'm on a fitness journey. My belly is going down already. Talk to me nice. Yeah, going down. So let's get to doing this here. First, I'm applying my virgin air fertilizer. Not using Jolly Fear this time. Just gonna apply virgin air fertilizer. It's almost finished. We have good grip, please do. it already done. So basically I can just like like oh it just snatched hammer fire. Yeah, it feels so comfortable. I'm gonna let this stay on my hair for about 5 minutes. This is a spray bottle that I had with some oil and water. I'm gonna spray it in the ear. I really want to use the most, but the top part break off. Use it here. This is for extreme cold. How am I doing this? Where is that? I'm using my S-Curl styling gel.
Boo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I got upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Yeah, that look good. butter.
What?
The one, you see some of this you should have pick out some,
to make more
so that you have
baby ear.
baby ear to make it look more natural, so that the piece of not show.
How do I? Peter. Great. Now enjoy it.
Yeah. I'm looking at dry. When you're done, if you send another razor, they give it.
Okay. And what the hair mask for when I shave in there?
No time there, girl.
Jesus.
But that's well bushy.
In front though? And then hear the dry up so then not there again.
But if they want, they just sign out that a film business. Swear.
So I am looking at the cameras. Oh God. Your girl did it. Even though the ear don't finish. Yeah, because you know it have to wet up and everything. I'm proud. I'm a proud mother of myself. You have to be a proud mother, you know. To myself, because you know.
Miss Uncle.
Don't know the things set already.
I'm sitting around with you.
$6,000 them a charge for do this, you know?
They never did know.
I never know. I'm afraid when they leave tell me $6,000.
Then his village friend come here and just to put one blue right so the woman charge her 2,000.
Girl, 6,000, you know what I'm saying? Me I do it myself, I look here. What's nice?
When it do good.
When it don't do good, the ear, the pan, the
You
end.
look, your face look better so
Yeah.
you can see where the 6,000 and it look good. You know what I mean? First thing you do and we can tell you say you look good.
May I learn, man, may I learn. And because I make some errors in my last try, I literally learn from them and don't make them again. Like so, errors meaning...
That ear, them type of area make your face look better. Your face and look big and odious.
So my face...
You look good right now.
Jesus Christ. Styler, you know she a styler, guys. Big styler. I'm gonna take my after photos for y'all. So thank you all for watching. This is the end results. May I leave it like this? Maybe ear can make it look better. But your girl did it. Una not seeing, una not looking, wait. What am I say? What lace? That's what I must say. What lace? Where the lace there? You see, because I'm kind of blending in the makeup. Yesterday, it works. I love this cool thing right here. I'll see y'all in the next video, Booz. Bye. Well, Booz, I thank you all for watching. This is how I tie my hair to go to bed. I put on the wig band, yeah, to keep them edges. Then I use a stocking cap to hold the hair. I'm not really feeling the bonnet tonight, so I'm just using the stocking cap that I got with the wig from France Fit, and that's it for the night.